Today is the 29th of October, 2025. All around our world in countless communities, a daily ritual unfolds. People go to their local well, a river, or a community tank to collect water for their families. This water is essential for life itself. It is used for drinking, cooking, and washing. In many rural places, like the ancient city of Polonnaruwa and Anuradhapura in Sri Lanka, this has been the way of life for centuries. The water often appears clear, cool, and refreshing. It seems pure. But what we cannot see can cause tremendous harm. This seemingly clean water can be a silent carrier of great danger. Microscopic germs, harmful bacteria, and dangerous viruses can thrive. Unseen chemicals, leached into the ground, can slowly poison the water supply over time. People, especially children and the elderly, can suffer from stomach ailments, persistent diarrhea, and debilitating infections. Families spend on medicine and hospital visits or buy expensive bottled water. Hours are lost fetching water under the hot sun. The lack of safe, reliable water steals health, potential, and hope. The purity of our groundwater, the source for so many wells and springs, is not guaranteed. It is under constant threat from human activity. The problem often begins far from the village well, in industrial zones, on large-scale farms. Factories sometimes release untreated waste, chemical byproducts, directly into our rivers and streams. These pollutants do not simply disappear. They seep deep into the earth, slowly but surely making their way into the underground aquifers that feed the wells people rely on. What was once a pristine source becomes a contaminated reservoir of hidden dangers. Agriculture can also contaminate. To increase yields, modern farming relies on heavy use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. When the rains come, these chemicals wash off fields and into the soil, mixing with the groundwater. The result may look and taste normal, but be laced with substances that harm over years of consumption. Improperly disposed trash, dumped in open pits or burned near water sources, releases a toxic cocktail into the environment. Knowing their well might be unsafe, many must purchase plastic bottles, an ongoing expense and a new waste problem. Others walk miles, a burden falling on women and young girls who may miss school. Well, Amidst this great challenge, there is a wonderfully simple and elegant solution. It harnesses the most abundant power we have, the sun. We can bring clean water directly to people's homes and communities with a solar-powered water filter, designed to be installed right at the source. Family well, storage tank, community water point. The true beauty is independence. No electrical grid required. It runs entirely on free sunlight. Here's how it works. A small, durable solar panel captures sunlight and makes electricity. That electricity powers a low-wattage pump. The pump draws untreated water from the well or tank. Water is pushed through a series of filtration layers: sand, gravel, activated carbon, and a membrane with microscopic pores. The multi-stage process makes the water progressively cleaner. The final result: safe, pure drinking water, on demand, built for ease of use and maintenance. With basic training, community members can do routine checks and cleaning. Parts are simple to swap out. This empowers the community to own the solution for years. Right. A brilliant invention is only as good as the support system that surrounds it. To bring these solar filters to the people who need them most, we cannot work alone. We must build a strong network of partners, each contributing their unique expertise and resources. We will work with companies that make high-quality water filters, with suppliers of efficient solar panels, and with suppliers of pumps, ensuring reliable, durable technology for rural environments. We will partner with small local hardware shops. These become go-to points for spare parts, replacement cartridges, and tubing, creating income for local businesses. We will identify and train local technicians and plumbers, certified installers and repair specialists to set up systems, troubleshoot issues, and create skilled jobs where they are needed. Support centers will serve as hubs for knowledge and assistance, answering questions, advising on maintenance, selling parts, and enabling quick service responses. We will work with community leaders, local health workers, and NGOs who have trust on the ground, explaining benefits and encouraging adoption. This web of partnerships transforms a simple product into a sustainable, community-owned solution, fostering self-sufficiency, stimulating local economies, creating employment, and building resilience for generations. Yes. Every great journey begins with a single step. Our plan will start small and grow thoughtfully. The first phase is the pilot program, selecting villages where need is great and the community is willing. We will install a limited number of solar filter systems in real homes. This stage is about learning. We will work side by side, observe real-world performance, gather user feedback, and test water regularly to verify consistent removal of contaminants. We will find weaknesses and unforeseen challenges, then refine more robust enclosures, easier access cartridges, making the system better and more user-friendly. Once confident in effectiveness and simplicity, we will prepare to scale, reaching many more people. The small seed grows into a forest. With partners, training programs, and outreach, we launch a movement for clean water, powerful and simple. Right, so that's the plan. The problem of unsafe drinking water has shadowed humanity for too long, stealing health and dimming futures. But a simple solution exists: a solar-powered filter working quietly at the village well. This is more than technology. It is a pathway to a better life. Children are healthier and more likely to attend school. Parents reclaim hours to work. With local partners, we can scale this solution. Each filter installed is a promise kept of health, opportunity, and a brighter future for every child.